Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming team roles and the Gigantamax target. Pick 2 clear attackers and a dedicated support. Once done, target the move you scouted and bait predictable turns. You want the opponent to waste shields early. Make sure to switch only when necessary to preserve tempo, and stack damage boosts like Sword's Dance or Calm Mind before your Gigantamax turn. Use the Dynamax/Gigantamax on the high damage window, so your boosted attacks land and force shield or reveal move patterns. You now exploit behavioral patterns and force reads. Watch for repeated charging or setup moves and punish those with priority or massive hits. Once you spot a recharge or defensive turn, press hard with your boosted Gigantamax strike or a coordinated team attack. This is where timing wins fights. Make sure to apply status effects that lower damage output or speed, because limiting the Gigantamax turn potency gives you more windows to chip. Keep reserve moves to finish, or to save a shield for the clutch turn. You finish by committing to a clear, high-damage sequence when the Gigantamax is weak. If it's below about 25%, stack everything and strike. Once the Gigantamax form ends, make sure to heal and reset tempo. Use your support to remove status and restore HP so you're ready for the next threat. If things go wrong and the opponent stalls with screens, rotate defensively and bait big moves until you create a safe knockout opportunity. Persistence and timing secure the win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.